Hi there, Ronaldo here from Enlightened Super Trader Education. Welcome to the weekly market update. So, where to from here with the Dow Jones Industrials 30? If I'm going to tell you that the Dow can go to 21,926, approximately around that area, would you believe me if that will happen basically in the next, say 8 years, about 2020? So do you think you would believe me if I would say that the price would, or the price of the Dow can go to 21,926? So I'm gonna make this as a log. Today's March 11, 2013 at 11:39, and then approximately 7 to 10 years time we'll see whether if the Dow has gone to 21,926. Alright, so that's based on my calculation currently now that the 14,198 has been broken. Alright, theoretically that is basically through theoretical calculation. Obviously the market is the market, it can do whatever it wants to do. Now that the Dow broke the 14,198 100, I've been stating that basically for the past 3-4 years, and finally basically did happen. And also for the final few months after the 12.5, that the probability will break the Dow at the 14,198 was highly probable. So if we go through and have a look based on the monthly chart, the bulls are just way too powerful once again. There is no sign of weakness. A lot of questions that traders are asking, perhaps including myself, where to from here. As soon as the price, there is nothing dictating in the past, and we're in a blue sky territory. Okay, so the next price point will be approximately at 16,297. Obviously it's going to go from a higher high perspective, going to stabilize itself. Once we see more of a stabilization, we're going to see a minor correction, a continuation to further the upside, and then it reaches around the 16,240. The biggest one of them all that has a high confluence between 2 points is approximately 18,891 and close to 19,000. So this is a major price point of the Dow. Alright, but so far the bulls are way in control. We can't fight against that. There's another probably 2 or 3 weeks in order for the Dow can finish. But for now, from the current moment in time, the bulls are just way too strong. And looking at the weekly chart from last week, look at that. The bulls is too powerful. Nothing dictating it that it's gonna fail. Right, and it's only pretty much Monday, and so we can't really see a much more of a decision process whether we should short it or not. We're just based on the amount of buyers and sellers to there, so the supply and demand through price action, that the bulls are just too powerful, and hence continuation of the upside movement. Likewise for the daily chart, too strong. Nothing dictating a sign of weakness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading business days with the bulls currently pushing the price. Obviously, once we're going to see a stability or a stabilization point of view from a higher perspective, we're going to see a short-term pullback correction before a continuation. And that is my take with the Dow Jones. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed it. Take care until next time. Happy trading, and see you on the next report.